How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start our class in science for 4th class term 1. Okay? Our first topic is plants preparing and storing food in science for 4th class. Okay? How the plants are preparing food and storing food in them. Now we are discussing total about preparing, how plants are preparing and storing the food in the for plants. Okay? Look at this picture of a forest. All these trees have green leaves. What makes these green leaves? The presence of a green substance called chlorophyll makes a leaf green. So here you are seeing one picture. Know what it is? It is in forest. In forest, what we can see? We can see the different types of leaves, different types of trees. Okay. Here you can see different types of trees are present in the forest, and all these trees have green leaves. Why the trees will have green leaves? Means the presence of a green substance called chlorophyll makes a leaf green. So in the leaf, what it is? A substance, a green substance is present, that is called as chlorophyll. That chlorophyll makes the leaf green. Okay. Next, leaf, the food factory. What is that next topic? Leaf, the food factory. Green leaves make food for the plant. That is why leaves are called the kitchen or food factory of the plant. So what happened here? Green leaves means for the plants leaf will be there. No, see, it is a leaf, you can see here. So what happened? These leaf will make food for the plant, the whole plant. For the whole plant, who is making the food here? Plant is leaf is making the food for whole plant. That's why the leaf is called as an kitchen or food factory of the plant. Okay, understood? Our next is structure of a leaf. What is how many parts are present and what are they? We can see here in the leaf, in the structure of a leaf. Okay, here it is a part of a leaf or a structure of a leaf. A flat part of a leaf is called as a leaf blade or lamina. Here you can see this is a totally flat part. It is there, no? That flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. We can see lamina also, we can call as a leaf blade also. A leaf is attached to the stem by a stalk. So how the leaf is attached? With a stalk, with a small stalk the leaf is attached. That part is called as a stalk. This part is called as a stalk. The many small tubes that cover the entire leaf blade are called veins. So we can see in the leaf a many small leaf blades. So many small thin lines we can see in the leaf. So that leaves is called that small things are called as veins. Okay, we can see here. See, veins are there. Small, we can see, no, small. Okay, the thick tube that runs along the center of the leaf is main leaf. So what happened here? Thick tube that runs along the center of the leaf. Here from the center of the leaf, at the end of the leaf, from the middle it is running one center. That center is called as a main vein. You can see, no, from here to see here, from the midway it is running one line. That line is called as a main vein. The other thin tubes on the sides are called side veins. So another side tubes are also thin tubes are there, no, in the sides. This is called as a side veins. Okay, water and minerals go to every part of the leaf through these veins. So the plant is an living things, no. So how the water and minerals are going from the every part of the leaf means because of these side veins. Because of the side veins only, the water and the minerals that need for a plant, it goes through in every part of a leaf. Okay, the surface of a leaf contains tiny openings called stomata. So on the surface, the flat part is called as a surface, no. On that surface, what happened? A tiny openings will be there. That openings we call as in stomata. Okay, we can see them only through a microscope. Stomata help the plants to breathe air and enters and move out of the leaves through them. So how we can see the tiny openings which is present inside on the upper side of the surface of the leaf? The part is called as stomata, no. So we can see the stomata through microscope only. We can't see with our naked eye. So here stomata are seen under a microscope. See, it is a tiny opening that is called as an on the leaf surface. It is called as a stomata. it can be seen only under the microscope. Because of these stomata only, the plants the plants which need like air, water and nutrients that enters through the small pores, okay, which helps the plants to grow. The plants need an proper food, no, that's why it need an it through this stomata it enters to the all parts of the leaf, okay. I think you all understood the topic, no? So once it is in your homework, struck parts of a leaf, you have to draw the parts and label the names, okay. Thank you. Remaining topic we will continue in next topic. Thank you.